Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be sharing with you this very yummy, nutrient-dense breakfast smoothie you can have in the morning as breakfast to nourish your system with a lot of nutrients, boost your metabolism, and load your system with all those nutrients for that healthy glow to your skin. Plus, it will keep you so full for long without you craving for food till lunchtime without leaving a lot of bad calories or fats in your system. So I'll be using half of a papaya for the smoothie for today. I'll just slice in the middle, store the remaining for my smoothie of tomorrow. So what you want to do is to peel off the back of the papaya. You don't want to eat the back and the seeds. So this is what you do in case you are not familiar with this fruit. You want to peel. Papayas are loaded with a lot of nutrients, loaded with vitamin C, to give you that healthy glow, boost your immunity, plus help boost your metabolism so you can easily metabolize, break down food so nothing stores up causing belly fat and weight gain. You want to peel and it keeps you so full. This is so filling. You want to eat something in the morning that has good calories without the bad heavy calories from some heavy breakfast. This is so nourishing with less calories and will load your system with nutrients. Like, this is a very healthy breakfast alternative, or just to have it as a smoothie, not necessarily for breakfast. Most especially if you are suffering from bloating, this is so good as it will relieve you and take you to your restroom. So that is my half a papaya sliced. And now the second ingredient I'll add for my breakfast smoothie for today will be pineapple. Pineapples are so good as they contain a lot of the good acids your system needs to help flush out the bad acids causing that fake bloated big belly, making you to always be constipated and bloated. Like, it cleanses and flushes out all those sodium chemicals from your system so you can stay healthy. So this is half a pineapple. You want to peel your pineapple. Pineapples are equally very good as they help boost your metabolism. So this easily digests without store up causing belly fat and weight gain. This is a very healthy breakfast if you're looking to stay in shape without gaining a lot of weight. So this is my pineapple peel. I don't throw them. I just wash thoroughly and store in my refrigerator and use for my weight loss drinks. So I have some weight loss recipes with pineapple peel. If you haven't watched, you can leave me a comment below and I will link you up. So I just rinsed my pineapple. What you want to do is to rinse your pineapple and slice into some good sizes that you can easily blend. So nourishing, most especially the middle of the pineapple. It is the core. Yeah, the core of the pineapple contains large amounts of bromelain, which helps to boost metabolism, help to break down heavy carbs you eat, so nothing stores up causing that belly fat, that chunky big belly. So these are my first two ingredients. I'll be adding half a cucumber in here. Cucumbers are alkalizing. Starting your day with cucumber forms a disease fighting barrier in your system. What we want is to always stay healthy, and cucumbers are alkalizing. You want to put alkaline foods in your system to form that disease fighting barrier for you. Plus, it helps support your system to detox by hydrating your system, nourishing your system with some good nutrients. Like, this is so nourishing. So I'm adding half a cucumber in here. You want to get your cucumber, if you like you can have it green, but I just want it to peel and just have the cucumber fruit without the peel. So you can peel or you use it whole, that is still up to you, but for today I just want that yellowish color without my smoothie looking green. So this is it. You just peel and voila, that is half a cucumber. And I'll be adding citrus. I swear for citrus fruits because they contain good acids and they equally help boost your metabolism. Starting your day with something like grapefruit, you are sure of digesting, metabolizing all the food you eat, and that way you hardly suffer from bloating, belly fat, or unnecessary weight gain. Like, this easily digest, help you break down food without any store up. Like, this is a very healthy breakfast, plus all the combination put together help you stay full for long without craving for food. Like, this is so filling, but with healthy calories, less bad calories, no fats here, no oily or some kind of bad carbs. So I'll be using the fiber as well. You don't want to throw this fiber. So after you juice out the juice, you want to still put the fiber in there. We need that fiber. Fiber will help to keep you full for long. Fiber helps to for weight loss as it keeps you full. You don't want to throw that fiber, as that is what will enable you stay for long without eating till lunchtime. So this is kind of a heavy breakfast but with less calories, very healthy calories in here that will easily break down. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So what you want to do next now is to put your ingredients in your blender. That is my pineapple, that is my papaya. You want to add in your cucumber, and now you add in the juice. This juice will equally help to make your smoothie not too thick. The juice from the grapefruit, it will make your smoothie not too thick but just creamy, kind of ice creamy, so delicious and nice. This is kind of a cocktail, like a variety of fruits put together makes this thing taste heavenly. If you're someone who doesn't go for smoothies, try this recipe and trust me, you will love it. Plus it will load your system with a lot of vitamin C to give you that healthy glow from the inside, boost your immune system, boost your metabolism so you can easily break down food, help you detox your system, form a disease fighting barrier in your system against diseases and sicknesses. Like, this is so healthy. These are the kinds of healthy breakfast you want to go for. As you saw me, that was early morning in the kitchen having my breakfast. As you eat this, trust me, you feel like eating at 2 p.m. Just a cup of this, like just this cup alone, can keep you full till 2 p.m. You can share with your boyfriend, your friend, your kid. This is, you can share with your children as well. Like, you can make in large quantity, share with your family and friends. Like, this is so nourishing. These are the kinds of breakfast you want to go for, and stay away from all those heavy breakfasts with a lot of bad fats and most especially fast foods. You want to make your own healthy breakfast yourself at home, and trust me, starting your day with a smoothie like this, you will always be healthy, free of diseases and sicknesses, because this forms a disease fighting barrier in your system. Remember, fruits and vegetables are alkalizing. Most fruits and vegetables are alkalizing to form a disease fighting barrier in your system. The most important thing is to be proactive and maintain that good health, because when you start eating poorly, you start facing difficulties, most especially as you age. You start having health complications like liver problems, you start having hypertension, diabetes, all those issues because of poor eating habit. So your nutrition, like what you eat, plays a role as to how your old age, the later part of your age will be. If you start eating healthy now, if you are proactive enough, trust me, you will age gracefully without all those diseases and sicknesses that are so draining, so painful, time consuming at the hospital with doctors. And you want to save yourself from that. Start today. If you are 18, 20, 25, 30, 50, even if you are 60, this is time to correct your mistake. 70, this is time to eat healthy. And because trust me, the medication for liver or diabetes, all those things are like nutrition. Eating healthy is the medication you need now. Food is medicine. Healthy food is medicine. So that is what I wanted to share with you today. I hope someone finds this video helpful. Don't forget to share with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy, most importantly, and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.